We're going to talk about how you can configure TireQuote for your specific needs and include all your relevant fees, parts, and labor. We will begin by going over the parts kits, labor operations, and TireQuote packages. First, we'll review the parts kit to ensure we include the relevant parts required for any tire service you want to provide. Let's navigate to Configuration, Configuration, Parts, Parts Kits. Parts kits are used to quickly add all necessary elements to operations. We want to click the drop-down menu and start by looking at the Mount 1 tire selection. We can see this parts kit already includes a road hazard warranty and a TPMS kit for one tire. We could also add additional parts or remove parts you do not want. Make sure this is set for one tire, as they will be adjusted automatically by TireQuote when you select the number of quantity of tires. If you offer a different set of parts for another tire service you offer, make a new kit for the new service. Note, a single parts kit can be used on any number of operations. Now we have the parts kit. We need to connect that kit to the labor operation. We want to make our way over to Configuration, Configuration once again, Labor, Operations. From the category drop-down, select Tire Service. Here, you can modify existing operations by selecting them from the drop-down. You can ensure they have the correct labor value to represent only one tire as well as the appropriate parts kit. We can configure up to 4 labor operations for use in TireQuote. We'll want to make sure the TireQuote is configured to use our labor operations. Select Configuration, Configuration, Repair Order, and TireQuote options. This window allows us to select up to 4 operations along with selecting an alignment option. You can also see here it is where you can configure the prompt for the alignment operation, as well as the option to generate tire quotes from the comparison sheet. As a reminder, we want the labor operations to be for a single tire so TireQuote can adjust for sets when selected. This was Configuring TireQuote, where we went over the settings for parts kits, labor operations, and TireQuote packages.